Hi guys, welcome to the Plerdy YouTube channel. My name is Martha, I'm marketing manager, and in this video, I will explain you how to use Plerdy if you have an SPA website. But before we start, please make sure you subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our new videos. So even though multi-page applications make up the majority of websites on the internet, single-page applications are becoming more and more popular. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, GitHub, and numerous Google services are all built with a SPA tag. So if you're among that part of services and you have an SPA website, here is what you need to do. Open your Plerdy account, go to SEO Checker, open SEO Settings, open Scan.js site, and here you need to choose I have a site on the JS framework. And that's it. That's all you need to do, only this one step. But why we are doing this? Basically, SPA websites have different structures. And in most cases, we won't see a open code of this website. So for search engines, the scanning and indexing process of this website is different. So we need to have a special setup for such websites to ensure that we are capturing all data and everything works correctly. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.